Alright, folks, let's dive into the fascinating world of kidney health. Picture your kidneys as the backstage crew of your body's concert, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. From filtering out waste to maintaining just the right balance of fluids, these bean-shaped powerhouses deserve a standing ovation for their hard work. Now, onto the main act, those sneaky healthy foods that might not be as virtuous as they seem. You know the ones they strut their stuff on grocery store shelves, flaunting their nutrient-rich labels and promising to revolutionize your diet. But beware, dear viewers, because beneath their wholesome facade lurks a secret agenda that could spell trouble for your kidneys. Stay tuned as we unmask these culinary imposters and reveal their true colors. Food number 1, spinach. Spinach, the Popeye-approved powerhouse of the produce aisle. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and enough green goodness to make your taste buds do a happy dance, it's no wonder this leafy legend has earned its spot in the Health Food Hall of Fame. But hold on to your spinach smoothies, folks, because there's a twist in this tale. While spinach may seem like the ultimate sidekick in your quest for wellness, it's hiding a dark secret: oxalates. These little troublemakers have a knack for teaming up with calcium in your kidneys, forming crystals that can lead to the dreaded kidney stones. Now, before you swear off spinach forever, let's pump the brakes and talk strategy. We're all about finding that sweet spot between enjoying the leafy green goodness and keeping your kidneys happy. So stick around as we dish out some savvy tips and tasty alternatives to keep your kidney health in check without sacrificing flavor or fun. Food number 2, nuts. Let's crack open the treasure chest of nutty goodness. Nuts are like little powerhouses packed with heart-healthy fats, protein, and a whole host of essential nutrients. They're the MVPs of snack time, the champions of crunch, and the unsung heroes of salads everywhere. But wait, hold on to your almonds. As much as we adore these crunchy delights, there's a kernel of truth we need to address. Turns out, nuts come with a surprise twist for kidney health. Say hello to phosphorus, the sneaky little nutrient hiding in plain sight within those nutty shells. While phosphorus is all well and good in moderation, going overboard can put extra strain on those hard-working kidneys. Don't worry, nut lovers, we've got your back. It's all about striking that perfect balance between savoring your favorite nuts and keeping your kidneys happy. We'll spill the beans on savvy strategies for enjoying nuts in moderation, along with some low-phosphorus alternatives that'll have you snacking guilt-free in no time. Food number 3, avocados. Avocado, the crown jewel of creamy goodness. Whether smashed on toast, blended into a dreamy dip, or sliced atop a salad, avocados are the undisputed royalty of the produce aisle. With their rich, buttery texture and nutrient-packed flesh, it's no wonder they've stolen the hearts and taste buds of foodies everywhere. But hold on to your guacamole, folks, because we're about to peel back the layers and uncover the truth about avocados and kidney health. While we hate to burst your bubble, it turns out that these green beauties come with a caveat: potassium. For those with kidney concerns, too much potassium from avocados could potentially cause a ripple effect on kidney function. Fear not, avocado aficionados. We're not here to rain on your avocado parade. Instead, we'll serve up a platter of savvy tips and tantalizing recipes that'll help you enjoy avocados responsibly. From portion control to creative culinary concoctions, we've got everything you need to indulge in avocado bliss without sending your kidneys into a panic. Food number 4, whole grains. Let's toast to the wholesome goodness of whole grains. They've been hailed as the knights in shining armor of healthy eating, boasting a bounty of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. From quinoa to oats, these grains have taken center stage in the quest for nutritious, belly-filling meals, earning their spot on every health-conscious eater's plate. But before you dive headfirst into a bowl of whole grain goodness, it's time to peel back the layers and uncover the grainy truths. While whole grains offer a cornucopia of nutrients, they also come with a side of phosphorus and potassium, two minerals that can spell trouble for those with kidney concerns. It's like a nutritional double-edged sword, leaving us grappling with the fine line between health and harm. Don't let the grainy dilemma dampen your culinary adventures. We're here to navigate the wild world of whole grains with finesse and flair. From deciphering kidney-friendly grain options to whipping up delicious dishes with a phosphorus-conscious twist, we'll equip you with all the tools and tricks you need to tame the grain beast and enjoy your favorite grains without sacrificing kidney health. Food number 5, bananas. The humble banana, nature's perfectly portable snack. Whether sliced onto your morning cereal or blended into a creamy smoothie, bananas have earned their rightful place as the reigning monarchs of convenience and nutrition. With their naturally sweet flavor and convenient packaging, it's no wonder they're the go-to fruit for health enthusiasts and foodies alike. But hold on to your potassium levels, folks, because there's a potassium party happening in every banana bunch. While we love a good bananarama, it's important to recognize that bananas pack a potent punch of potassium, which can spell trouble for those keeping an eye on their kidney health. Too many bananas could tip the potassium scales, leading to potential complications for kidney function. Fear not, banana lovers. We're not here to banish bananas from your fruit bowl entirely. Instead, we'll serve up a bushel of savvy strategies for finding that perfect banana balance. From portion control to exploring alternative fruits with lower potassium levels, we've got everything you need to savor the sweetness of bananas while keeping your kidneys in check. Food number 6, dairy products. Let's raise a glass of milk to the dairy aisle darlings. Dairy products have long been celebrated for their calcium-rich goodness and protein-packed punch. From creamy yogurts to decadent cheeses, dairy delights hold a special place in our hearts and on our plates, offering a taste of comfort and tradition that spans cultures and cuisines. But behind the creamy facade lies a dairy dilemma that's worth utter consideration. While dairy products boast an impressive nutrient profile, they also come with a hidden cost for kidney health. Phosphorus and potassium overload. For those with kidney concerns, indulging in dairy delights can lead to some sour consequences, putting a damper on your dairy-fueled dreams. Don't cry over spilled milk just yet. We've got the scoop on how to navigate the dairy aisle with confidence and finesse. From savvy tips for selecting kidney-friendly dairy options to exploring tantalizing alternatives that won't leave your kidneys feeling blue, we're here to help you enjoy the creamy goodness of dairy while keeping your kidneys in tip-top shape. Food number 7, oranges and orange juice. Peel back the sunshine-colored skin of an orange, and you'll discover a burst of vitamin C goodness that's as refreshing as it is invigorating. Whether you're biting into a juicy orange or sipping on a tall glass of freshly squeezed juice, there's no denying the citrusy allure of oranges, making them a breakfast favorite and a beloved snack option. But before you go on an orange-eating spree, it's time to pump the brakes and consider the potassium overload lurking beneath that vibrant peel. Yes, you heard it right, oranges, and their liquid counterpart, orange juice, can pack a potassium punch that's not exactly kidney-friendly, especially for those with renal concerns. Don't let the potassium parade rain on your citrusy parade. We're here to serve up a refreshing oasis of orange enjoyment without putting your kidneys in a squeeze. From clever strategies for enjoying oranges and juice in moderation to exploring alternative citrus fruits with a lighter potassium load, we'll help you navigate the citrus aisle with confidence and zest. Food number 8, tomatoes. Let's give it up for tomatoes, they're like the rock stars of the produce aisle. Vibrant, juicy, and bursting with flavor, tomatoes add a pop of color and taste to everything from salads to sandwiches. They're so versatile that you'll find them in cuisines around the globe, from Italian pasta sauces to Mexican salsas. But are these juicy delights hiding a darker side? While we adore tomatoes for their taste, they might not be as kidney-friendly as we thought. Turns out, tomatoes are sneaky little things when it comes to kidney health. They're packed with potassium and acids, which can spell trouble for those with kidney issues. Too much of these nutrients can throw off the delicate balance in your kidneys and lead to complications. Don't worry, tomato lovers, we've got your back. You can still enjoy tomatoes without wreaking havoc on your kidneys. The key is moderation and smart cooking techniques. Try incorporating tomatoes into your meals in smaller portions and balance them out with other low-potassium ingredients. And when cooking with tomatoes, consider methods like roasting or stewing, which can help reduce their potassium and acidity levels. Food number 9, potatoes. Potatoes, the ultimate comfort food. Whether mashed, baked, or fried, potatoes have a special place in our hearts and on our plates. Their creamy texture and earthy flavor make them a staple in cuisines worldwide, from hearty stews to crispy fries. But could these beloved spuds be posing a threat to our kidney health? Hold the fries. It turns out that potatoes come with a side of kidney concerns. These humble tubers are loaded with potassium, which can be problematic for those with kidney issues. Too much potassium in your diet can put extra strain on your kidneys and potentially lead to complications down the road. But fear not, potato enthusiasts, there's a silver lining. You don't have to bid farewell to potatoes altogether. Instead, focus on enjoying them in moderation and exploring alternative root vegetables with lower potassium levels. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with veggies like sweet potatoes, turnips, or cauliflower as tasty substitutes. With a little creativity and mindfulness, you can still savor the comfort of potatoes without putting your kidneys at risk. Food number 10, soy products. Let's hear it for soy, the unsung hero of plant-based protein. With its impressive protein content and versatility, soy has become a staple in vegetarian and vegan diets. From tofu to soy milk, soy-based products are all the rage, offering a meat-free alternative that's kind to the planet. But could there be a soy side to this story? Hold the soy latte. While soy products are celebrated for their protein punch, they may not be as kidney-friendly as we once thought. Turns out, soy packs a potent dose of phosphorus and potassium, which can spell trouble for those with kidney issues. Too much of these minerals can put strain on your kidneys and throw off their delicate balance. Don't soil yourself short, there's still hope for soy lovers. The key is to enjoy soy products in moderation and balance them out with other kidney-friendly foods. Try incorporating a variety of plant-based proteins into your diet, such as beans, lentils, or chickpeas, to mix things up and give your kidneys a break. Conclusion. Let's take a moment to reflect on the foods we've explored today and their potential impact on kidney health. From spinach to soy, each food has its own story to tell, reminding us that even the healthiest of foods may have hidden risks. It's all about finding balance and moderation in our diets to keep our kidneys happy and healthy. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a message of empowerment. By staying informed and making conscious dietary choices, you have the power to take control of your kidney health. Remember, it's okay to indulge in your favorite foods occasionally, but it's important to listen to your body and prioritize balance. And if you have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to healthcare professionals for personalized guidance. Here's to a kidney-friendly diet and a healthier, happier you.